As humans, we adore, we love and admire our newborn babies. But have you ever imagined how other lower animals' newborn look like? I guess many of you don't know how adorable and strange some mammals' newborns can be. So relax and let me show you what these newborn animals look like. Baby monkey. So let's kick things off with an animal newborn that is almost human, and that is the baby monkey. When you see one of its tiny little hands, it could easily be mistaken for the hand of a newborn human baby. In fact, the craziest part here is that the baby monkeys are actually called infants, just like the human babies. And if you see these baby monkeys' tiny faces, they often look like a strange mix between a newborn baby and a wise old person who's lived for 100 years. There are around 260 different species of monkeys living across the world today, and scientists divide them into two main groups: Old World monkeys, which live in Africa and Asia, and New World monkeys, which are found throughout Central and South America. But why are they classified old and new? Old for the ones in developing countries and new for developed countries. Maybe the scientists will explain it later. Like us, monkeys are mammals, meaning they survive entirely on their mother's milk during the first months of life. But that's only part of the story. For many species, a newborn monkey spends almost every second clinging tightly to its mother. At first, the baby grabs onto its mother's chest, and as it grows stronger, it moves onto her back, riding along wherever she goes through the trees. Even more amazing, scientists have discovered that newborn monkeys can recognize their mother's voice only a few days after birth. They also learn facial expressions incredibly quickly by carefully watching the adults around them. Young monkeys are naturally curious. By only a few weeks old, they're already trying to copy everything their mothers do, from picking up food to climbing branches and even grooming other monkeys. Just like human toddlers, baby monkeys learn mostly by imitation rather than instinct. The smallest monkey in the world is the pygmy marmoset. At birth, these tiny babies weigh less than half an ounce, about the same as 2 sheets of paper. They are so small they can comfortably sit inside the palm of your hand. At the opposite end of the scale is the powerful mandrill, the largest monkey species on Earth. Mandrill mothers usually give birth to only one baby at a time. The newborn arrives covered in soft white fur with a patch of black hair on top of its head, giving it an appearance that's somehow both adorable and slightly grumpy. One thing many people don't know is that monkey mothers are incredibly protective. If danger appears, they'll often risk their own lives to shield their babies, and in some species, the entire troop works together to help raise and protect the young. It's a reminder that family isn't just important for humans, it's a survival strategy throughout the animal kingdom. Like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now, or else this black mamba snake will lie on your bed tomorrow morning.